Welcome! This channel is how to draw Roblox. In this video, you'll be drawing Bunny Girl in step-by-step form. Hope you enjoy it! What you'll need: some paper, a HB pencil, a rubber, and a black pen to outline. That's it! Now you're ready. This time we'll start two curvy lines as eyes, and we'll draw a big smiling mouth. Then we draw straight lines on both sides of the head, and another straight line under the mouth. Then we connect the straight lines with curvy lines. We also add eyebrows by drawing short, straight lines above the eyes. Now we draw the hair. Then we draw a long coat that almost goes down to her feet. Now we can draw the feet and the legs. Then we draw the hands. Draw the thumb. It's quite big. Nice! Now we can add details on the clothes. Now, let's draw the long bunny ears on her head. Congratulations! You did it! And that's how to draw Bunny Girl. Hope you enjoyed. Bye!